Uh,
Yes.
um,
Yes, yes. Hello. Yes, Krish. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
um, ma'am, you call my name. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Krish.
Ma'am, you called my name.
What?
Ma'am, you said na Krish, somewhat like
Yes.
that before. And what happened?
You are you are asking something, I thought.
No, ma'am. Before that, you were not said my name.
I thought you were asking something, that's why. Yeah, before
No,
that I was asking for the video.
ma'am, I got disconnected due to network issues.
Yeah, it was showing the black screen. You are not visible on the screen. That's why. Now you can continue. Okay, is there anyone who's done with both the questions?
No, I'm second.
Okay, do it quickly. As soon as you are done with the second one as well, just inform me.
Ma'am, will you send the PPT today? Ma'am, ma'am, you are muted.
Yeah, Arjun, I'll send. Arjun or Anaya, who was there?
Ma'am, me.
Yeah, Anaya. We'll send, but before that, you'll have to solve the sums here.
Yes, ma'am.
Why are you asking for the PPT?
As my eyes are straining, so my speed is low for the sums, so my sums would be missed in between.
Okay, but try to complete it along with us.
Okay, ma'am.
Sharanya, Dwarkesh, there, start your video. And here I can see you have joined from two devices. Or what?
मैम
Yes.
मैम आप इस सबके क्वेश्चन के सॉल्यूशन कब दोगे?
वहाँ पे तो first two questions we proved that here. So I'll just discuss. I'll not provide you a solution. I'll just discuss.
ओके मैम.
I'm waiting for all of you to do these two questions so that we can discuss the solution now itself. As soon as someone is done with both the questions, you can just tell me that we are done. Ishant, sit in the lighted area. You are not visible to me.
मैम थोड़ा जोर से बोलो ना, नहीं आ रहा आवाज.
Ishant, yes.
Done.
Yes, Ishant, now it's it. Vivan, are you done with both the questions?
I am not able to solve the second one. The first one is done.
Second one you are not able to do. First one is done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just try to do for the second one as well. I'll give you the hint. Take two triangles DNO and BMO.
हो गया इधर.
मैम ओनली फर्स्ट का सेकंड नहीं होगा और सब हो गया.
हाँ मैम.
Okay. Okay, so all of you just pay attention here. So in the first one you can see ABCD is a square and EDC is a equilateral triangle. So in short, we are given that your all the sides, that is AB, BC, CD, DA, will be equal, and as it is given that this triangle is an equilateral triangle, that means your DC will be equal to ED as well as EC. So all the sides which are being marked with this line, they are equal. Now we want to prove that AE is equal to BE. Now to prove it, I'll be taking two triangles, which is triangle ADE and triangle BCE. Now you can see they both are congruent. Now why they are congruent? Because two of the sides you can see are given as equal. Now after two of the sides, the third side is the common one. So you can see if you are not taking the third side, you can take the angle. Now the angle if you will take, the third side is not common, but you need to prove it.
150 degree.
Now if you can see this angle D, it is 90 degree, and then this angle will be 60 because of the equilateral triangle. So this whole will be giving you, this angle D will be equal to 150 degree. In the similar way, you will get your angle C also 150 degree. So your angle D and angle C are 150 degree. So by using SAS criteria, you can say that triangle DAE is congruent to triangle CBE. So if DAE and
But ma'am,
CBE are
how
congruent,
60 and 150 came?
yeah, 60 because of the equilateral triangle it is given, and then 90 because of the square. So if this part is 90 and the above part from the triangle is 60, what can we say about the whole angle? It will be the sum of 90 and 60. So you will get 150. So your angle D will be 150. In the similar way, your angle C will also be equal to 150 degrees. So by SAS, you can say that AE will be equal to BE. Are we clear with the first part?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have proven with inequalities.
Which inequality you have taken?
Like ma'am, EC plus CB is greater than EB, then ED plus DA is greater than EA. And this all sides are equal. So EB is equal to EA.
Okay, but they are greater than. Okay, so you have then replaced that inequality by equality, and then you have shown that they both are equal.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can go by that way as well. But you'll have to mention that each and everything there. Okay. Now we have to prove that.
We know that ED is equal to DA is equal to EC is equal to CB. And then I have written that EB is equal
Yeah,
to.
but that you'll have to write that in triangle, sum of two sides is greater than the third side. That statement should be there. Okay, now I want to prove that angle DAE is 15 degree. So you can take the help of any of the triangle. Now in this triangle, if I'm saying, if in triangle DAE, you saw that DE is equal to AD. So in triangle, if the opposite sides are equal, the angles, if the two sides are equal, the angles opposite to the same sides will also be equal. That means your angle DAE will be equal to angle DEA. So if I'm taking DAE as x, my DEA will also be equal to x, and this we already know it is 150. So you will get one type of equation where x plus x plus 150 will be giving you 180. So when you will solve this equation, you will get the value of x as 50. So which what we wanted to prove, it will be proved by this way. Are we clear with the first one?
Yes, ma'am.
मैम फर्स्ट
Yes,
फर्स्ट
Jay.
पार्ट में हमको सिंप्लिसिटी का भी लिखना पड़ेगा ना कि ये पार्ट्स दोनों ट्रायंगल के
हाँ, वो तो लिखना ही पड़ेगा ना. तो आई एम नॉट टेलिंग द होल वे, बस मैं आपको ये बता रही हूँ कि सॉल्व कैसे करना है. ओके, नाउ सेकंड वन, anyone who wants to share the solution or just explain it? None of you have done?
मैम किया है पर शायद से रॉन्ग
किया है.
You can share.
मैम
Yes,
सेकंड वाला
हाँ, सेकंड वन.
मैम उसमें ट्रायंगल्स को कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव कर दिया.
हाँ मैम, और फिर सिंप्लिसिटी से मतलब DO इज इक्वल टू OB, मतलब
एक डायगोनल का मिल रहा है, दूसरा डायगोनल का नहीं.
बाइसेक्ट करेगा.
Okay, so I'll tell you in short what to do. You'll be first taking two triangles, that is triangle DON and BON. So in triangle DON and BON, you can see this angle is 90 degrees. So your angle DNO will also be equal to 90 degree as they are forming a line. So your angle DNO is 90 degree. In the similar way, your angle BMO is 90 degree. So we got this one angle as same. Then you can say that BON will be equal to BON. BOM I can say. Why?
वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल.
Vertically opposite angle.
Opposite angles. Then I can say that
is equal to
NDO
equals to BM, that is
OBM. My NDO will be equal to OBM.
मैम दिया कहाँ है? हमें दिया है
It is
क्वेश्चन में
not
कि
given.
is equal to DN. तो
It
हम
is
लोग
not.
मैम DN
ये कर सकते हैं.
BN
यहाँ पे wait. It is not given, but we can take them equal. The reason behind that is what type of angle they are forming.
alternate.
They are the pair of
Alternate.
alternate angles. Now I can say that DN is parallel to BM. Now how can I say that DN is parallel to BM? Because DN is also inclined at 90 degree, BM is also inclined at 90 degree on the same side, that is AC. So that is why your DN and BM will be parallel. So your angle, this NDO will be equal to your angle, this OMB. So by this you can say that by AAA criteria, both the triangles are congruent. Now if both the triangles are congruent, by CPCT you can write OD is equal to OB. So
मैम
OD,
एंगल साइड से prove
हाँ मैम क्योंकि
I'm
हमें
coming to that point. I'm coming to that point. So your OD will be equal to OB, which means your BD is being bisected. Okay, now May and Veti, that you were saying about angle side, right?
yes ma'am.
yes ma'am.
If
Yes,
you are
ma'am.
taking this this angle and this side, okay, by
Yes,
that
ma'am.
way also you can go. By angle side also you can go. But you will not write SAA, you will write AAS. Okay, is there anyone who's still having doubt for question number 2?
मैम पर इससे तो सिर्फ हमें DO इज इक्वल्स टू BO मिलेगा ना.
So that means B is being bisected at point O. अब point O पे कौन इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है उसे? AC.
मैम
That
हमें
means
तो ये मिला DO इज इक्वल्स टू BO, पर वो AC का मिड पॉइंट है कि नहीं वो कहाँ से पता चलेगा? नहीं हाँ वो समझ गया.
bisect BD है. That is why it is said read the questions properly. Okay, now start solving the third one.
मैम
Yes.
मैम एक बार सीपीसीटी से एक ट्रायंगल प्रूव कर लिया तो उसके सारे एंगल्स भी इक्वल होते हैं ना?
All the parts will be equal. CPCT से आप prove नहीं करोगे. First you will prove and by CPCT you can write that.
मैम तो फर्स्ट और थर्ड का वही नहीं है कि फर्स्ट को पहले प्रूव कर लेने का और फिर थर्ड सीपीसीटी से आएगा?
Same. So you will first prove the first result. और फर्स्ट रिजल्ट प्रूव करने के लिए जो ट्रायंगल यू विल टेक वैसे ही आपका थर्ड प्रूव हो जाएगा. सेकंड के लिए यू विल हैव टू टेक. ओके, सो अर्जुन कैन यू प्लीज एक्सप्लेन हाउ टू डू?
Ma'am, in first question, we will take triangle ABC and triangle ADC. Then AB is equals to AD given, BC is equals to DC given, and AC is equals to AC. That is common, and then it is proved that angle BCA is equals to angle DCA by CPCT, hence prove that AC bisects angle A. फिर हम वैसा ही लिख लेंगे angle BAC is equals to DAC by CPCT, hence prove that AC bisects angle A and angle C. और BE is equals to DE. तो मैम we will take triangle ABE and triangle AED. और फिर उसमें दिया हुआ है कि AE AB is equals to AD given AE is equals to AE common और angle BEA is equals to 90. हम 90 लिख सकते हैं
इसको
कि लाइन बना रहे हैं
नहीं, you can't take 90.
एंगल E
नहीं,
90
you can't. नहीं, you can't take.
मैम BAE को ले लेते हैं।
मैम क्योंकि एक लाइन नहीं बना रहा AE
नहीं, वो लाइन बना रहा है बट इट इज नॉट गिवन दैट दे आर इक्वल। और यहाँ पे ये भी नहीं दिया है कि व्हाट टाइप ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल इट इज। So for first result, first and third result, you can go with this two triangles BAC and DAC. By if they are congruent, each and every part will be equal. So you will get your angle BAC will be equal to your angle CAD, as well as your angle BCA will be equal to angle DC. So that means this angle, both angle A.
Oh, anyone there?
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
yes ma'am
Okay. Wait, let me share the screen again.
Okay, is the PPT visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we were discussing question number 3. So we discussed that we can prove that one triangle congruent, and then you will get your first and third result proved with the help of those two triangles. Now for the second result, you will take up two triangles, that is ABE and ADE. So in triangles ABE and ADE, you already know about your this angle and this angle, they both are equal by the first result, and then AB is given as equal to AD, and your third result, which is AE, is equal to AE because they are the common sides. So by SAS, you can say that your both the triangles will be congruent. If both the triangles are congruent, by CPCT, I can say that my BE will be equal to ED. Are we clear for the second one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So we are done with question number 3, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So I want you to solve question number 4. Solution is given here, but you'll have to apply a little bit logic here. So in this figure, M is the midpoint of BC. That means BM will be equal to MC. And you have to prove that and it is given that BAM is equal to DAM. So BAM and DAM are equal. That means they are being bisected. And we have to prove that AD is equal to twice of CD. So can any one of you give me the reason why AMB is equal to BAM?
Alternate angles.
Because they are the alternate angles, which AMB and BAM it is given. So AMB and BAM are not alternate angles.
मैम DAM नहीं
मैम
होगा
वो DAM equals to BMA होगा, और DAM ऑलरेडी हमें दिया हुआ है कि वो BAM से इक्वल है.